Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, is widely regarded as one of the most influential figures in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Since Ethereum's inception in 2015, Vitalik has envisioned a decentralized world where blockchain not only facilitates digital transactions but transforms entire industries. With Ethereum 2.0 and the ongoing evolution of the crypto space, many are asking, is cryptocurrency ready for a comeback? And what role does Ethereum play in this resurgence? In this video, we'll dive deep into Vitalik Buterin's vision for Ethereum and explore how Ethereum is positioned to shape the future of crypto. We'll examine the innovations Ethereum has brought to the table. 1. Vitalik Buterin's early vision. The birth of Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin, at the young age of 19, envisioned a platform that would extend blockchain technology beyond cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin revolutionized digital payments, Vitalik saw the potential to build a decentralized platform for any kind of application. In 2013, Vitalik published the Ethereum whitepaper, detailing a new blockchain that would allow developers to create decentralized applications. Ethereum's main innovation was the introduction of the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), which allowed for the execution of code on the blockchain, something Bitcoin could not do. This concept laid the foundation for the modern DeFi ecosystem and set the stage for Ethereum's growth into one of the most powerful blockchain networks in the world. 2. Ethereum 2.0. The major upgrade for a more sustainable future. Ethereum 2.0, also known as ETH 2.0, represents the next phase of Ethereum's evolution. Ethereum has long been criticized for its energy-intensive proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism, which is the same as Bitcoin's. POW requires miners to use vast amounts of computational power, consuming a significant amount of energy. Vitalik's vision for Ethereum 2.0 includes a transition from POW to proof-of-stake (POS), a far more energy-efficient mechanism. In POS, validators replace miners, and they are selected to create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This shift promises to reduce Ethereum's energy consumption drastically, making it more eco-friendly. ETH 2.0 also introduces shard chains, which are smaller chains that run in parallel and can process transactions and smart contracts simultaneously. These upgrades aim to solve the scalability trilemma. 3. The decentralized finance revolution. How Ethereum powers DeFi. One of Ethereum's most significant contributions to the cryptocurrency ecosystem has been its role in powering decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is a rapidly growing sector that aims to replicate traditional financial services, such as lending, borrowing, and trading using blockchain technology, but without intermediaries like banks or financial institutions. Ethereum's smart contracts allow developers to build decentralized applications that can execute financial transactions without the need for a central authority. These DApps run on Ethereum's blockchain and leverage its security and transparency. Platforms like Uniswap, Compound, and MakerDAO are just a few examples of Ethereum-based DeFi projects that have gained massive popularity. Vitalik Buterin's Ethereum has enabled anyone with an internet connection to access financial services, regardless of their location or financial status. This decentralized model empowers individuals by giving them control over their own assets and eliminates the need for traditional financial intermediaries. 4. NFTs and Ethereum. The digital art revolution. In recent years, Ethereum has become the leading platform for non-fungible tokens, which are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a piece of content, such as artwork, music, videos, or collectibles. Ethereum's blockchain provides the infrastructure for creating, buying, and selling NFTs, and it has become the go-to platform for the burgeoning NFT market. Vitalik Buterin was initially hesitant about NFTs, seeing them as potentially speculative and unsustainable. However, over time, he recognized the potential for NFTs to disrupt the art and entertainment industries. NFTs have enabled artists to tokenize their work and sell it directly to buyers without the need for galleries or auction houses, opening up new revenue streams for creators. Additionally, NFTs have introduced the concept of digital ownership, allowing users to prove ownership of unique digital items in a way that was previously impossible. As the NFT space continues to evolve, Ethereum remains at the forefront of this revolution, providing the underlying infrastructure for an entirely new digital economy. 5. The scalability problem. Ethereum's ongoing battle. While Ethereum has seen immense growth, it has also faced significant challenges. One of the most pressing issues is scalability. Ethereum's blockchain, while powerful, has struggled with high gas fees and slow transaction times, especially during periods of high demand. The network's proof-of-work consensus mechanism and limited throughput have made it difficult to scale effectively. Vitalik Buterin and the Ethereum development community have been working on several solutions to address these issues. The transition to Ethereum 2.0, with its shift to proof-of-stake and the introduction of sharding, is a major step toward improving scalability. These changes will enable Ethereum to handle a much higher volume of transactions, making it more practical for mainstream adoption. Layer 2 solutions, such as optimistic rollups and ZK rollups, are also being developed to process transactions off the Ethereum main chain, reducing congestion and gas fees. These advancements, combined with Ethereum 2.0, could potentially make Ethereum a much more scalable and efficient blockchain platform. 6. Vitalik's vision for the future. A decentralized web beyond just cryptocurrency and finance. Vitalik Buterin envisions a decentralized internet where users can own and control their data without relying on centralized entities like Google, Facebook, and Amazon. In this vision, Ethereum plays a central role as the platform for decentralized applications that replace traditional web services. Vitalik's idea is to create a truly open, permissionless internet where individuals, not corporations, control their online identities and interactions. This would allow users to interact with each other and with digital platforms without needing to trust third-party intermediaries. The decentralized web would give users more control over their privacy, data, and online experience. Is Ethereum ready for a comeback? Only time will tell. But with Vitalik's vision and the commitment of the Ethereum development community, the possibilities for Ethereum and the entire crypto space remain exciting. If you're ready to follow this journey, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the future of Ethereum and cryptocurrency.